Welcome back to Adventure Tech. Very excited to tell you about this 100 amp MPPT. This baby is nice. It can run 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 or 48 volt batteries, and it's got Bluetooth so you can monitor everything. It's really convenient. And 100 amps at 12 volts is really nice. That's really going to max out your 12 volt systems. You can get over 1,000 watts of input through a 12 volt system with this MPPT. But if you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. Get a really good discount on this. Use the links in the comments or the description. Get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at LiTime's 100 amp MPPT. So they've made some brand new breakthroughs with LiTime's MPPT. This is a solar charger. It takes power from your panels and puts it into your battery. It can actually change from 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 or 48 volts. And depending on the voltage, it gives you different amounts of wattage that you can get out of your panels. See, if you upgrade to 48 volts, you're really going to have a lot of wattage because amps can stay low. And you can get up to 150 volts through your solar, which is pretty good. This MPPT is designed to support 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt, 48 volt LFP and lead acid battery setup. So you can upgrade your older systems if you're still running lead acid. Solar Charge controller supports up to 6,000 watts of solar input with a max of 150 volts. Do not exceed the voltage max. Whether you're powering your home, cabin, or off-grid system, ensures fast, efficient charging, stable long-term performance, even in high-power solar setups. 100 amps is really good. LiTime's 12 to 48 volt 100 amp MPPT Solar Charge controller has undergone comprehensive upgrades recently. Smarter, safer, and stronger. Not only maximizes solar power potential, but improves energy efficiency. Also significantly enhances safety and user experience. Included the upgraded Bluetooth feature with password protective settings, silent mode, and multiple protections. With 99.9% tracking efficiency and 98 conversion efficiency, this MPPT charge controller ensures optimal power output. Even on cloudy days, it really can pull in a lot of power compared to a PWM. It improves 30% more tracking efficiency, ensures maximum solar power harvest. With less than 1 watt low self-consumption, really good. That's a lot lower than most MPPTs that I've ran. Meaning basically that while it's running overnight and things like that, it has a really low wattage usage. Because believe it or not, while you're running these systems need power to run too. So the amount of power that you're pulling in isn't always the amount of power that you can use. You have to keep in mind that these systems need power to run themselves as well. Effortless and secure control at your fingertips. Easily monitor real-time data, track historical trends, and adjust settings all from your phone. What's more is that this solar charger has enhanced Bluetooth function for data security specifically, requiring password to modify parameters. You don't have to deal with people messing with your system. And LiTime's 100 amp MPPT solar charger is equipped with dual cooling modes, fan and heat sink. So you got the fan and the heat sink as opposed to some of the other models that just have the heat sink. This is going to efficiently dissipate heat during long-term operation and keep the whole solar system running safely. The fans come with a silent mode allowing you to customize the shut-off timer for noise-free rest, ideal for compact living space like RVs and campers. And since this is 100 amps, this is a really good thing to mention. I have some pretty big MPPTs, 60 amp, 40 amp, things like that, and I run them pretty much maxed out. Even if you don't need 100 amps, it's nice to have this system that's built to run at 100 amps. Because if you're just going to run 60 amps, it is so much more of a comfortable situation running a 100 amp MPPT at 60 amps than trying to run your 60 amp MPPT at 60 amps. Because when it's maxed out, that's the highest it can handle. It's going to be loud, it's going to be hot. This is meant to run at 100 amps, so 60 amps is much more sensible. It's going to be more quiet, cooler, things like that. And like I said, keep your battery safe at low temp. This solar charger features low temperature charging protection that automatically stops charging at below 32 degrees. So even if your battery doesn't have it, it's got a little built-in probe that you can stick near your battery. So if it's colder than the temperature that your battery should be for discharging and charging, it's going to stop that from happening. And the LCD you can see in the dark. It is nice to be able to pop in, hit that LCD screen, and actually be able to see what's going on. It features built-in LCD screen with backlight, allowing you to quickly access real-time data and status, even in low light and nighttime conditions. With adjustable brightness and timeout setting on idle, you can enjoy hassle-free, energy-efficient interface that keeps your system visible anytime. Right now, there's an insane discount. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, right now is a really good time. You use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. And you can subscribe to my channel 100% for free just by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon though, and you can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.